Hi, I'm Hamid Chojai, founder of Axosoft, creators of GitKraken, Glowboards, and a handful of other successful products. I've been developing software products for more than 20 years, and as the head of product, I've always encountered this one problem for which there's never been a great solution, until now. As a product owner or project manager, you probably use tools like this to manage the tasks your team is working on. Of course, that's great to make sure you know who's working on what, but when your team is looking at the hundreds of tasks being tracked, it's difficult for them to identify the most important milestones of the product, or when major milestones are targeted to be done. Even worse, these tools provide little to no value for other teams or executives to know what's coming down the road. These challenges are why we created GitKraken Timelines. GitKraken Timelines is designed to show major milestones on a continuous line that represents time. Each milestone highlights what's important and when the milestone is happening, and what the primary goals of each milestone are. At Axosoft, we now use GitKraken Timelines to plan the releases of all of our products. Each product team has a timeline that quickly communicates upcoming releases and what the most important things are for each release. But the best part of GitKraken Timelines is the ability to combine different timelines on the same view. So here I can see the major milestones from the Git client team, and with just a click, I can combine that timeline with the timeline from the Glowboards team. Each timeline maintains their color, so I can see which milestone is from which team. I can even combine these timelines with the major milestones of the marketing team to see when the upcoming conferences are and make sure none of our product milestones are in conflict with the marketing milestones and events. Timelines can be created and shared across every department in your company. You can also collaborate with anyone to create and maintain timelines, and your timelines can even be embedded on a web page with a little bit of copying and pasting code. Creating timelines couldn't be easier. As you add milestones, GitKraken Timelines automatically adjusts your timeline to view all the milestones. Each milestone can have links and any number of sub-items. The sub-items can also have links, allowing timelines to be a conduit to communicate information at a high level, but also links provide details when necessary. As milestones pile on top of each other, you can zoom the view to just a portion of the timeline, and when you have your timeline exactly as you want to present it, you can use the presentation feature for some presentation options. If you happen to use GitKraken Glowboards for your task and issue tracking, then Timelines is already built in. You can view your Kanban boards in a timeline view. In this view, Glow cards that have a due date and your Glow milestones will automatically show on the timeline. It's incredible. In the history of project management tools, there's never been a product that makes it so easy to communicate project goals and milestones. So go on and create your first GitKraken timeline right now. Getting started is completely free.